like when I first put the blower in, I taught myself to like not hit the gas all the way every time.
Yeah.
It was really bad. On street tires, it's really bad. Hi, this is Russell. This is my Supercharged Mustang, and you're watching ANSWRD. The power. I mean, I could go to the track, I could drive it every day, I could drive fast, and it's just still a streetable car.
This build, you're just like, I did this, it was great. I drive it, it's great.
I researched the hell out of everything, to be honest with you. I mean,
so you did it right the first time.
I looked at everything up. I'm an online person. I read everything online, and I kind of learn how to do everything. And I've seen other people's mistakes.
Yeah.
And I mean, I spent a lot of money on it, so I figured, okay, let me kind of see what everybody did.
Yeah.
And I mean, this was the best kit to get. The Whipple is the best kit to get because it makes the most power, but it's also the best complete kit. So that's why I went with this one. I actually ordered the Roush kit. And then I started reading, everybody was having a heat soak problems and all that. So then I ended up canceling it and I went with the Whipple. I mean, how heavy it is. They're a really heavy car, and that's kind of why they make so much power. But you can't tell it's so heavy because it handles really good. It's a Whipple Stage 2 kit. Honestly, it's pretty much stock. Other than that, it has a Lund Racing tune. It made 780 to the wheels. The suspension is all BMR. There's Stop the Hop kit, and the exhaust is stock. It has a MagnaFlow resonator delete. That's it.
And what are the rear tires?
They're Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the Race Stars 305s. The reason I went with a 10-speed over the stick is because I've driven a stick all my life. I mean, I wanted something that I could drive every day and have fun, but still be a normal everyday car.
It spins tire like nobody's business.
Yeah.
And this is on pump gas with a booster, right?
Yeah.
We only get 91 here in California, so the question on everybody's mind, and on Reddit, on Facebook, everywhere, what did it cost?
Altogether, almost 80 grand.
How much?
Almost 80 grand altogether.
80 grand? Okay. Including the car?
Yeah, including the car.
Which is around 50?
Yeah, the car was 49.8 I paid.
And then what does it cost to get a supercharger, and what supporting mods do you need to run a supercharger?
You need axles. I need a carbon fiber drive shaft. And the kit I bought was the Whipple, and it came complete with everything. Fuel pump, injectors, throttle body.
And is it legal to run in California?
It's carb legal, yes.
That's awesome. So you can go get it small.
Yes.
What power was it making on the stock tune? Because Whipple comes, I'm assuming, with a tune for their supercharger, but then you got a custom tune, right?
Whipple's tune, they say it makes like 680 to 7 something. I never dynoed it on that.
We're going to take a quick break so I can tell you guys that this video literally, no joke, would not have been possible without Disc Drill Pro. I accidentally deleted the footage that I filmed with Russell, like all of the footage from my GH5 camera, because I was importing to various hard drives, and I ended up deleting the footage from the date that we filmed, which was Valentine's Day, February 14th. As you can see right here, I was able to preview all of the files. So there are the rear tires right there. I was able to preview the files and do all that. And all I had to do was select my files from here, which you can see it's a lot of them. So there's all the video B-roll that you guys have been seeing. I hit recover, and then it started to recover 21 gigs of footage. Huge thank you to Bogdan and the team over at Clever Files who made Disc Drill. This saved the entire video.
And then I went with Lund Racing, and they told me I could expect 80 or 90 horsepower more. Yeah. And then I dynoed that, and it made 780.
Did you feel the difference?
Huge difference.
Yeah.
Huge difference. I usually drive around on the Whipple tune when I go to work.
That's awesome.
When I work, it's a lot more miles compared to this one.
Yeah. So you can daily drive the car.
Yeah. I mean, I daily drive it every day. I mean, it just wastes gas. That's the only downfall of the whole thing.
How much gas? Like double digits though, or like?
It gets like, right now, it's getting like 13.
Okay.
I mean, stock is like 15, almost 16. It depends how I drive it.
That makes sense.
And then it doesn't like the hotter the car gets in really hot weather, it starts pulling power. The computer pulls power for typing.
Yeah, that's smart. At least you know.
Yeah, I mean it protects itself. Yeah.
Yeah. And do you use the different driving modes in here, or does that not really change anything now that you have a tune?
The driving modes make a big difference, actually. It takes away the sensitivity of the throttle.
Got it.
So like if you put it in sport mode, you hit the throttle, it reacts quicker.
Gotcha.
If you're in regular mode, it takes a little bit more to get going.
Yeah. And how do you feel the 10-speed is with all this power?
I mean, it drives just fine. It shifts fine. I haven't had no problem with it. It spins a lot on regular tires.
Yeah.
I mean, it spins a lot on regular tires.
That makes sense. Yeah. I'm really impressed. Like, we're just coasting in it right now.
Yeah.
And this feels like a normal automatic. I mean, I don't want to say V6 Mustang in like a mean way, but it feels like you're just cruising in like a Mustang or a car.
My girlfriend drives it all the time. I mean, she's fine with it. She didn't even realize I supercharged it when she first drove it again. Yeah, she couldn't tell.
It's so cool. Like, you just put it on cruise control, you can cruise, be totally fine. It's just the gas that's kind of wild. And tell me about this gauge that you put here.
It's the N gauge. That's the tuner, and then an N gauge. It pretty much tells you everything, and that's what you flash the tunes with.
Oh, very cool. So you just plug in through USB right there?
Yeah, plug in through the OBD2.
OBD2? Okay. Yeah. Nice. And you did all this work yourself, right?
Everything was done by me, yeah. The only thing that wasn't done by me was the tuning.
Gotcha. But the suspension, the engine, intake, putting in the drive shaft, all that was easy.
Yeah, my parents' garage.
Wow. That's very impressive. And what did you start with first? I mean, did you buy the car knowing that you wanted to supercharge it and do all this? Or was this kind of like, you bought it and then you're like, all right, like let's put some more power in it, let's go twin turbos or supercharger?
I believe I bought the supercharger before the car, like a day before. Yeah.
And how long did it take for it to come in?
They're really back ordered right now. I believe it took like 3.5 months to get the kit. But I believe now it's like almost 4 or 5 months to get the kit.
And how long did it take you to install on your own?
5 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, very quick.
It's really, to be honest with you, it was really easy. They make the kit really complete, really good directions.
Yeah.
I mean, it was really easy.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And any reliability issues since you put the kit on?
Nothing. I mean, it drives like a stock car, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Like right now it's in a normal mode. And I mean, you see that it doesn't downshift that easily.
Yep.
I mean, it drives normal.
Yeah. So one of the questions, and you kind of mentioned this earlier, was does it grip?
On these tires, yes.
Yeah. So I know you're on the Mickey Thompson tires now, and it's definitely gripping a lot more than it did before. But on the stock tires, do you get any sort of grip in the rear with 700 plus horsepower?
No, not at all. I can spin in 5th gear on street tires.
Wow.
I mean, and it's actually kind of dangerous, to be honest with you. It spins a lot, and it gets sideways really quick.
And how's the braking? I know that this comes with the Brembo brakes. You know, with the stock tires, it stops
really good.
It stops well on stocks?
Compared to my other Mustangs that didn't have it, it stops really well.
That's good. That's great. And what if you could, if you had like 10 grand to spend on the car, what would you do to it? What else? I mean, it's great. It seems reliable. It's making a ton of power. It looks good. You have the stock exhaust, but that still sounds really good when you're on it. But what would you do if I gave you 10 grand and said,
probably finish suspension and a bunch of safety equipment for the track.
Nice. Do you know how much boost it's pushing?
I believe it's 12 pounds.
And what's the quarter mile time, Rob was asking?
It should be easily in the 10s. When it's all dialed in, I'm hoping to break a 9.
Nice. What else do I want to ask about?
Can I hit the gas right here?
Huh?
Hit the gas real quick.
Go for it. So that's like a small pull right there.
That's like maybe half throttle.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Like, this is so cool because the Mustang 5.0, you said you had a couple Mustangs before, right? What's the biggest differentiator of this generation of Mustang? I know that you said, it's quite a bit heavier than before, but how does it feel to you overall? Are you happy you went with this platform? Would you do this build again, or would you go with, maybe a Camaro or a different gen Mustang? I
would never go a Camaro.
Okay. He's a Mustang guy for sure?
Yeah, this one has a lot of top end. It's very well cam timing, so it has top end. It pulls. You can kind of feel it, like it hits boost, and then it hits the variable cam timing, and it pulls again.
Yeah.
I mean, it revs all the way to 82. I mean, on the freeway, it gets going really quick.
Yeah. And if you, on your trips to Mexico, what have you gotten this car up to? And what do you think it could go to?
I mean, it hits 160, no problem. No problem.
And does it still have room to spare?
I mean, a lot of room, I think.
Yeah, this is an awesome car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was really easy. Basically, the synopsis is it's a streetable, daily drivable, very comfortable Mustang 5.0. You still have trunk space. You have full sound system, premium interior, different driving modes, Apple CarPlay. The rear seats, absolutely useless. It was even hard to get in there and put that GoPro. But overall, like, this is crazy that you can have a 785 horsepower car on pump gas with a booster getting more than 10 miles per gallon. I think that's actually impressive.
Yeah.
For about 80 grand. So, last question, because of that synopsis. If you went back before you bought this car and you just had a check for $80,000, would you buy anything else, or would you do this again?
I don't think there's anything that I want really in that price range. I mean, I kind of want a GTR, but I don't know if I would trade it for this. I mean, I really like this car. This is my dream car. When I built this car, I was building my dream car.
That's awesome. That's very cool. Well, Russell, if people have questions for you, is there a way they can contact you online, or should they just leave a comment here? What's the best way?
Just leave a comment here.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you guys for watching, and Russell, thanks so much for coming out.
No problem.
Cool. That was great.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. That was cool.